In this video, we learn how to add comments and notes in Excel for Office 365. Excel has changed how comments work. The comment feature now enables threaded discussions between users. Notes enable you to add notes and annotations to your spreadsheet. Basically, notes have replaced how comments used to work. I will give you an overview on how to use each of these features. Let's get started. If you need to discuss the spreadsheet with others, use comments. To add a comment, select an active cell where you want the comment to appear. Next, right-click the cell, then select New Comment. Then type the comment. Then click the Post button. You will now see a purple icon at the top right corner of the cell. If you hover over the cell, the comment will display. Notice that there is a reply button to discuss with others. I don't have anyone here to discuss with, so I will just reply to myself. Then I will select Post. As you can see, the reply is now in the threaded discussion. So comments are an excellent way to have a discussion with other users of the spreadsheet. To edit a comment, hover the mouse pointer over the cell containing the comment to display the comment. Next, hover over the comment, then click Edit. Edit the comment. Then click Save. To delete a comment, right-click the cell with the comment, click Delete Comment. Now the comment has been deleted. Now let's take a look at notes. Prior to Office 365, notes were known as comments. Use the Notes feature if you just need to add an annotation or an explanation in a cell but don't need to have a discussion. To add a note, right-click the cell you want to add a note to. Then select New Note. Next, type the note in the box. Then click anywhere outside the box. A red triangle appears on the upper right corner of the cell to signify that it contains a note. To edit a note, right-click the cell containing the note. Then select Edit Note. Make edits, then click outside the box. The note has now been updated. To delete a note, right-click the cell containing the note. Then select Delete Note. The note is now deleted. In this video, you learned about comments and notes in Excel. They are similar in a way, but different in that comments are more suited for discussions, while notes can be used to add explanations to cells. I hope this video has helped you. Please click the like button, subscribe, and press the notifications bell to be informed of new videos. Thanks for watching.